Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to do a video today about a product that is a good one that doesn't seem to get a whole lot of attention on YouTube. Came out about 2 years ago. I like using it. It's Griot's Garage Rinseless Wash and Wax. So it is obviously a rinseless product. You don't use water hose with it. You mix the product. It's 1 ounce for every 2.5 gallons of water. So you can wash 1 car in 2.5 gallons, or you could, which would be half a bucket, or you can do a full bucket, which is what I usually do with my pickup truck, and 2 ounces for the 5. This cleans it. A lot of polymers, like most rinseless washes do, but it also leaves some wax behind. And most Griot's products are pretty good for what I've found. I've used them in Adams quite a bit. This stuff works pretty well. Car's a little bit dusty, so we're going to just do a little sample here so y'all can see what it looks like. It has a nice grape flavor, so it smells good when you're using it. If you buy a kit from Griot's or AutoGeek, you can also, like many other of these rinseless washes, mix it into a waterless. So if you get a kit from Griot's or AutoGeek, you can get a bottle to mix it as a waterless. And I use this to pre-treat the vehicles because of just trying to dodge having scratches and swirls. Although when I do it without pre-treating, it seems like I don't get any. But for my Mustang, because it's special, I like to make extra sure I don't take chances on scratches and swirls. But this is okay stuff. Rinseless wash is very neat. I've been doing it for about 10-11 years now. Just kept reading about it online, so I tried Optimum No Rinse and fell in love with rinseless. I do that quite a bit. And obviously, this being January, wintertime rinseless is nice because you can do it in your garage. So I'm in my garage because I live in the north and it's winter. So anyhow, let's give this a shot so y'all can see what it looks like. So I've got a big black sponge from the Rag Company. I'm going to wipe it on here. And on the car, I've got Blackfire sealant. Then the last time I washed it, which is a couple weeks ago, did a rinseless, and I put some Blackfire's Midnight Sun carnauba wax on it. But you can see the water is repelling, as it should. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to wipe it off so I can see how clean it wipes off. So I got my trusty Adams drying towel. I'm just going to glide it over here, get the water off. Comes off real easy. I have had, and some of this is temperature related because I got a heater running and it's not as warm as it is, obviously when it's summer or spring or fall, when you can do this outside or even inside when the temperature's higher. So it does flash off okay. So the temperature's making it flash kind of slow, but it's winter. But this is a nice rinseless product if you guys have not tried it. Now, Griot's other rinseless product, I have not used the kind that does not have the wax. I had gone to Indianapolis when this stuff debuted. Griot's Garage had a caffeine and gasoline, and they were demoing it, and I tried it, and I liked it, so I bought some. I had to buy it. So anyhow, that's the Griot's Garage Rinseless Wash and Wax. Great product if you're into rinseless, and it's pretty comparatively priced, from what I recall, compared to Optimum and some of the other ones that are out there. So thanks again for watching, and see you for the next product demo review, since I like trying stuff. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.